I'm Tony Hafford. We're TC Hafford Basement Systems in Wells, Maine. We service all of Maine and part of New Hampshire. I started my company in Maine in 1991. I had always wanted to be a business owner, even when I was young, and I didn't know what business. But once I got some experience doing waterproofing, it interested me, and I decided I wanted to start my own company. The services we provide to homeowners is basement waterproofing, basement structural repair, prevent mold with dehumidification systems, bowing, crumbling walls, we'll repair those. Our most popular service is basement waterproofing and crawl space repair. Our employees really work together and support each other, from the crews all the way up through the office staff. Satisfied customers always makes us happy. They can count on us to get that job done right. We recently bought some new office space. The offices were just getting cramped, so we bought another 10,000 square feet of building. If someone would have asked me 30 years ago if I would be where I am today, I guess I didn't even know you could dream that big. There was a lot of years where it was just me and a couple of guys in a pickup truck, and now I don't even see the field that much anymore. Now we've got 60 employees. As a growing company and a company that plans to continue to grow, there's bigger and better opportunities for everybody every day.